first time, I fell in love with it. But it took me a while to actually get it. Because I was just like, oh, let me try the Schmoop, the First On White. Let me try that. Which I will report to you guys that it smells just like it. Okay, but we're going to come back to that. So now I finally took the leap and got me this 100 milliliter bottle. And for some reason, it's not giving the same that it was to me the first time. But let's get into the notes, okay? And Vanilla Powder by Matiere Premier, okay? So let's get into the notes. I just pulled it up for you guys. The main accords are vanilla, powdery, musky, woody, sweet, coconut, and citrus. Now, this is a very, very, very... what word should I use? Different. I need a different word for different. Blend, okay? This is a blend like probably no other that you've smelled, especially when it says vanilla, okay? Don't let it confuse you. This is a very, very, very different blend, okay? And I am a very unisex loving, middle of the road unisex fragrance type girly, and I don't usually have a problem with the unisex, but for some reason this is not giving what it gave me the first time I smelled it, and I don't know why. But I don't know. I loved it at first, but not so much anymore. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. The top notes are coconut powder and heliotrope. The middle notes are Madagascar vanilla. The base notes vanilla absolute, white musk, Palo Santo. I know a lot of people don't like Palo Santo. Lactones and coconut. Okay, I don't know. I'm just not feeling the exact same as I was feeling about it. But I don't know. I'm gonna give it a few more days, a few more sprays before she get rehomed. Okay. But it is 100 milliliters. I don't know if y'all want it. Somebody want it, hop in my DM, I guess. But I don't know. But back to my point that I was gonna make about the First On White. When I first smelled this and then I went and grabbed the First On White, I felt like the First On White smelled overwhelmingly way stronger than this. It was a note in it. I don't know if it's the musk or whatever, because I usually am a musk girl, but the First On White was given really, really, really strong, straight to the head strong, and I wasn't feeling it. Okay, but on the second go around of me smelling this, it smells just like this. Okay, First On White smells just like this. I don't know. To me, it smells just like this, and I'm really not feeling this no more. I'm feeling the dry down, the way, way, way after dry down of this. Not the first spray and couple hours which you having it on, but the way later after you done worn it all day and it's done worn off some. Okay, so I don't know. I'm gonna let vanilla powder try to grow me a little bit more before I make my final decision. Let me know what y'all think.